Are you trying to send a long video on Facebook Messenger but you keep running into frustrating size or time limit errors? It's a common problem, but don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to send those longer videos on Messenger step by step, even if they exceed the usual limits. Let's get started. Method 1. Send via link. This is the most reliable way to send very large or long videos without compromising quality. First, upload your long video to a cloud service you use, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive. Once your video is uploaded, tap the share option within the cloud service and copy the shareable link. Finally, paste this link directly into your Messenger chat. The recipient can then click the link to watch or download your video in its full resolution. Method 2. Trim the video. If your video is just slightly over the limit and you don't mind sending it in parts, trimming is an option. Open your phone's gallery or use a video editing app. Trim the video into smaller segments, making sure each part is under the Messenger's typical limit, around 1 minute or 25 MB. Then send these smaller video parts one by one through the Messenger. And there you have it. Those are the best ways to send long videos on Messenger without running into any annoying errors. Let me know in the comments which method worked best for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.